Good evening, everyone, and thank you for joining me online. I'm honored to be part of this conference hosted by Ismaili Studies and Institute at Aga Khan Center. While I wish I could be there in person, so I'm grateful for the opportunity to share my research on impact of Hamak embroidery on preserving the cultural identity of Afghans in diaspora. And my case study is Afghans living in Germany. And thank you once again for this opportunity. And let's start. Mhm. Okay. This research explores the significance of Afghan Hamak embroidery in preserving the cultural identity of Afghans, especially those living in Germany. It defines identity as a combination of material and immaterial signs that distinguish individuals and groups, emphasizing both individual and group identity aspects. Hamak embroidery is highlighted as an integral part of Afghan cultural heritage, symbolizing values and history, and serving as a means of emotional expression and storytelling. The research sought to answer how these fabrics contribute to cultural identity preservation and identify the specific ceremonies where they are predominantly used. The research involved fieldwork using ethnographic methods with Afghan families across various states in Germany. Methods included interviews, participation, observation, and photography to gathering insights from participants using Hamak embroidery in various traditional and religious ceremonies in the diaspora. Um, the identity and culture are identity and culture are closely intertwined concepts, with culture often being viewed as a fundamental aspect of identity. Understanding cultural identity requires a deep exploration of culture itself. Culture encompasses all aspects of social life, from institutional organization to psychological phenomena. It's a collection of thoughts, beliefs, and values manifested in speech, behavior, rituals, and art. While some cultural elements are shared across societies, cultural identity comprises characteristics unique to particular community, distinguished it from others. Embroidery style vividly express cultural identity through aesthetic, colors, motifs, patterns, and serving as historical documents and social markers. Afghanistan's embroidery, crafted by female, is deeply intertwined with Afghan culture and cultural identity. Embroidery in Afghanistan can be categorized into in several types. So, Hamak embroidery is one of these types that is a traditional art that with deep historical roots goes behind simple fabric decoration to become an essential part of Afghan cultural life. Afghanistan's cultural identity is shaped by its long history and diverse civilization and empires, leading to a variety of cultural values across ethnic groups. These cultures have preserved their distinct identities over time, and Hamak embroidery reflected this heritage. Its significance in Afghan life is so profound that it's seen as more than just a craft. It is an inseparable part of people's daily life and cultural identity. So if we have a look in diaspora and Afghan Hamak embroidery textiles, the largest wave of immigration from Afghanistan occurred in late 19th, 17th century and early 19th century, and the second significant and large wave of this migration and asylum occurred at the beginning of the third decade of 21st century. So, following this, millions of Afghan citizens first moved to neighboring countries like Iran and Pakistan, and subsequently to other countries in region, especially Europe and North America. The Afghan diaspora in Germany is the largest community of Afghans in Europe, with a large subgroup of 22,000 living in Hamburg alone. So Afghan families in the diaspora, particularly those who have left their country under challenges conditions, maintain a strong connection to their cultural heritage through traditional arts like khamak embroidery. This practice helps preserve their identity and provide a link to their cultural and historical roots in a new environment. Um, Embroidery plays a crucial role in expressing the cultural identity of Afghan people, with its distinctive and unique characteristics serving as an essential element. Just as art reflects society and culture, the cultural reflection of Afghanistan can be observed in the decorations, colors, and stitching styles of Khamak embroidery. If we have a look on the ceremony, one of the very traditional ceremony that has been performed in Afghanistan from ancient times to present, holding a special place in their culture is Sismoni in Persian, Jore in Pashto. And the Afghan tradition of Jore is similar to a Western baby shower, involved showering the expectant mother with gifts, but differs in that the gifts for the newborn are given only by the maternal mother. Upon birth, an Afghan newborn is wrapped in a khamak embroidery cloth tied with a khamak embellished strap and placed on a khamak embroidery mat. So this custom is still continue in the diaspora. Anita, who grew up in migration and she's now living in Hamburg, initially resisted using traditional Afghan baby clothes which her mom ordered, preferring modern items instead. However, over the time she grew attached to this textile, finding peace and authenticity in their design. Now they hold a special meaning for her, evoking memories of her mother and grandmother's story and her Afghan heritage. She acknowledged that her child will be raised in Europe, distancing from their Afghan cultural heritage. Despite this, she emphasizing the importance of incorporation elements of Afghan culture into their child's upbringing. By doing so, she hoped to preserve her child's connection to his roots and maintain his interest in Afghan culture as she grew older. Material identity are uh, material objects as garments and other possessions become symbols for who we are or who we want to be preserved as and work as a tools in the identity process. According to Grant McCurry, cultural categories are shaping and constructing our words while creating specific cultures with specific norms and values through the help of material objects. So dressing practices is the act of being able to decide which cultural category you want to place yourself in. Wearing traditional Hamak embroidery garments conveys cultural meaning that are transmitted through the act of wearing them. And strength, and strengthily, those Afghan who were forced to leave their homeland have brought these customs with them as a cultural, historical, and even ethnic legacy. Today, different Afghan ethnic groups in diaspora still to perform their traditional and ceremony customs during their wedding ceremonies. So most of family who celebrate in Germany agree that wearing traditional clothes bring back memories and makes them feel as if they are in Afghanistan, even if just for a moment. Religious holidays, Eid al-Fitr or Small Eid and Eid al-Duha or Great Eid. They are the most biggest religious day in Afghanistan. The main purpose of these days is to visit family, relatives, neighbors, and friends. So during these days, wearing hamak embroidery cloth is very common. And what's extremely interesting is wearing hamak embroidery clothes during Eid days in Germany. Here too, on the first day of the Eid, when people go to pray, many wear hamak embroidery clothes and go pray with pride. Matin Sarwari, who was living in Frankfurt, cherished traditional Afghan clothes, which were worn during festive occasions and presented a refined style of him. Living abroad wearing these clothes brings back joyful memories of Afghanistan and serves as a symbol of his identity and heritage. He encouraged his family to wear them, especially on Eid days, to stay connected to their culture. And the other occasion is national occasion, that the two biggest national occasion in Afghanistan, and it's Nowruz and Shab Challa. Nowruz marks the beginning of the new year, and the Shab Challa or Shab Yalda marks as the beginning of the winter festival cycle. So the roots of these celebrations are really ancient, go back to the pre-Islamic and pre-Zoroastrian era. Afghans living in diaspora are more proactive in celebrating these ceremonies. Currently, Afghan families throughout Germany celebrate this day with joy and will planning programs, wearing their local embroidery and hamak embroidery clothes, contributing to a sense of happiness and cultural pride. Shikila believes that celebrating Nowruz shows respect for the past, and wearing traditional clothes during the holidays enhance the cultural experience, creating a beautiful immersion in the celebration. She notes that while children in diverse settings may lack interest in traditional customs, embroidered clothes can help them connect with their heritage. Despite modern challenges, embroidered textiles can provide a way for younger generation to engage with the preserved cultural identity. So in conclusion, hamak embroidery, deeply rooted in Afghan culture, serves as a significant marker of identity for the Afghan diaspora in Germany. This form of needlework not only embodies the artistic heritage of Afghanistan, but also acts as a tangible link to the homeland, reinforcing cultural continuity and community bonds among Afghans living abroad. Through various ceremonies, uses, and everyday practices, hamak embroidery aids in preserving cultural identity in several meaning ways. The Afghan diaspora in Germany using hamak embroidery as a key symbol of cultural pride and identity. By wearing hamak embroidery clothes during important life events, a sense of Afghan identity within their community. This embroidery also plays a crucial role in transmitting cultural values to younger generation, as families introduce their children to the traditional craft, preserving Afghan cultural heritage. And additionally, Afghan migrants serve as a cultural ambassadors by showcasing hamak embroidery at multicultural events, fostering appreciation and visible of Afghan culture internationally. In summary, hamak embroidery serves as a crucial cultural symbol for Afghan diaspora in Germany, transcending its role as a traditional craft. It helps Afghan migrants preserve their heritage, transmit cultural values across generations, and promote diversity within the wider society. As a cherished element of Afghan identity, hamak embroidery remains an integral link to their roots. Um, thank you so much for your attention. And at the end, just I want to mention, I'm deeply indebted to the people who participated in this study. Without them, I would never have been able to complete this research. This is my offering to them and to all Afghans around the world. Thank you so much.
Thank you.